There are doors that lead you to the infinite. Doors that take you to new realities that can change your life forever. Duara Ocean View Villas and Condos, the door to your own paradise.
Duara is an exceptional residential development located in one of the areas with the most added value, the Tezal in Los Cabos. Conveniently located just a few minutes away from shopping malls, schools, and the heart of Los Cabos. Duara offers you different purchase options from 60 houses and 84 condos, so that you can choose what better matches your very own lifestyle. Its landscape, clubhouse, gym, restaurant bar, and social spaces encourages the socializing between family and friends. The architecture is contemporary with a minimalist touch, created by Promo Casa, a developer from northern Mexico with over 25 years of experience. It's specifically developed so that each terrace of every house and condo can enjoy a perfect view of the Sea of Cortez. We invite you to visit us at our main office, where we can answer any and all of your questions. It will be our pleasure to take you on a tour of the development. Visit our social media or give us a call, where one of our associates will be happy to assist you in any way.
Duara Ocean View Villas and Condos, the door to your own paradise. Promo Casa, always innovating.